Quick video lesson today, mostly because it's a Thursday and I don't want you to have homework. So we're just going to go through some examples. We are writing and solving equations, but this time we're going to need to use the distributive property. So there are still 3 things that you need to do per question. We need to get used to setting the variable. You're going to write the equation and solve the equation. So these are still word problems. They're just one step tougher. So I will give you a little bit of time to read this question. I assume you don't want me to read it to you. All right, so we're setting the variable, and we can always set the variable by looking for the question. So we're going to say let x equal hours. And now we are going to write the equation. We are weeding out any useless information, but in this case, we're going to use all of it. So Michael, he did this for 5 days. So we're going to take our 5. It's sort of like 5 people, but he did it for 5 days. And inside parentheses, we have $7 per hour. So we're going to write that as 7x. And each day, the bike shop charged an $8 flat fee. So plus 8. So the 5 represents the number of days, and inside parentheses represents the price per day. $7 times x, or $7 per hour, plus $8 flat fee. And the grand total at the end of the week was $180. So we have written our equation. I'm not going to have enough room. After we distribute, we're multiplying the 5 times 7x and 5 times 8. That'll give us 35x plus 40 equals 180. Subtract both sides by 40. We get 35x equals 140. And divide both sides by 35. We get x equals 4. So Michael rented a bike for 4 hours per day. Eventually, Michael just needs to buy his own bike. All right, next example. I'm going to give you a little time to read the question. You can obviously pause it too. Okay, Lizzie is renting a car. Again, the question says how many hours per day. So we're going to say let x equal hours. She rented a car for 6 days. So we have 6 days multiplied by $35 per hour plus a $45 flat fee. And she spent a total of $1,950. Definitely needs to save that up and invest in a car. Walking 20 miles to work, irrelevant, just a little bit of a fun fact. Multiplying the 6 times 35x and 6 times 45, and we get 210x plus 270 equaling 1950. Subtract 270 from both sides. 210x equals 1680, and x equals 8. So Lizzie better have a high-paying job if she's paying $1,950 per week. Short assignment today, because I want you to be able to finish it in class and not have homework over the weekend. Let me know if you have questions, and let me know if this the format of these lessons are working for you.